Every year, life moves likeward, and the land follows. For Oyen, it's a storm made of muscle and instinct. In a world that never stops, stillness is survival. Even the smallest traveler must move with giants. Here, courage meets the current. In nature, danger waits where thirst begins. Sometimes, survival means joining the madness. The flood carries both the strong and the lost. Every breath becomes a victory. And on the far bank, life begins again. Among giants, even the smallest find purpose. Companionship needs no language. But peace never walks alone. When hunger awakens, the plains remember. Every victory feeds another life. In the wild, nothing is lost, only passed on. He came as an outsider, but now walks within the rhythm.
And so, Oyen continues Puford, small among millions, yet unbroken.
On these endless plains, even the smallest creature can feel the coming storm. The desert wind carries secrets, whispers of danger. A sandstorm builds slowly, until it doesn't. For a lone wanderer, even dust can be a warning. The plains begin to roar, nature's voice turning fierce.
In the wild, survival means knowing when to flee.
And when the storm finds you, there is no turning back.
Instinct guides even the most unlikely survivor.
In the desert, even a single stone can mean salvation. Small bodies endure by taking the smallest shelter.
The desert wind shows no mercy, only movement. Every heartbeat becomes a battle.
All storms pass, eventually.
From shelter, courage rises once more. The storm leaves its mark on land and traveler alike.
Even the bravest survivors must shake off the past.
Light always returns to those who wait. And so the journey continues, carried by courage